Here we'll be fixing in a new pass in our sewing machine. Now as you can see over here, I've already taken off the old one here. It got broke. It broke, so that's why I took it off. So now to fix this new one, just lose out this nut, and then you bring out this rod a little. Now you also lose out this one too. Lose out the nut completely. Take it off. Now this is the pass in which I'll be fixing. So this is the new one. Now you put it like this. Make sure to position it this way that I positioned it. I'll just push it for it to go inside. You can chisel it a little with something. So make sure it goes inside. So go ahead and tighten this one. Now make sure you don't lock it too much. Just give it a little space so it will be free to move. So this one here, you'll be bringing it closer to this other rod so they can connect. Go ahead and tighten this one. So now you'll be joining it together with this other rod. Now the function of this thing is that it makes the teeth your machine to move the fabric forward and backward. That's the work of this thing now we are fixing. So this is how to fix it. So after putting this screw, you make sure you tighten it very well. Use a plier and tighten it. Now let me see if the teeth now is working. It ought to be moving forward and backward. That's the function of this thing now. So the old one got broken. That's why I'm changing it. So just go ahead and lock this nut very tight. Lock it up very tight so it will be working. Okay, now the teeth of my sewing machine is now reacting. So go ahead and tighten this one with spanner size 14. Tighten it up so it won't adjust by itself. So now let's check if it's working. So it's now moving the fabric. It's moving the fabric, but the fabric seems to be bouncing because of the teeth is too high. So it's bouncing the fabric. So I'm going to reduce the teeth. I'll just loosen the teeth and bring it down a little so that it will be moving properly. So just loosen this nut over here and I just lose it a little and then you push the teeth inside. Make sure it doesn't fall off inside completely. Just push it for it to come down a little. If it's too high, it will be bouncing the material. So after adjusting it, you tighten it again, tighten it back up. Now let's try it again. The machine is moving perfectly now. Alright, thank you very much for watching.